Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best lash therapy is probably one of the most exciting beauty innovations I've come across in a while. If you're anything like me, you're always on the hunt for ways to enhance your natural beauty without resorting to harsh chemicals or expensive procedures. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Hello Skincare Lash Therapy, a product that promises to transform your lashes and give you that fluttery, voluminous look you've always dreamed of. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Roller for Oily Skin. This roller instantly mattifies and absorbs oil, giving you a shine-free look. It's perfect for those who want to keep their skin looking fresh throughout the day. It removes excess oil without disturbing your makeup. You can maintain your flawless look with ease, no matter where you are. Use it on clean skin at home or to mattify on the go. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your purse or bag. Made from real volcanic stone, this roller quickly banishes shine. Unlike blotting papers, it's reusable and washable, making it a more sustainable choice. Need a refill? Swap roller balls quickly and conveniently with the Revlon Facial Roller Refill Pack, sold separately. No need to repurchase the handle. What we like? This volcanic roller instantly mattifies your skin, giving you a shine-free look. It's reusable and washable, making it a sustainable choice. If you have oily skin and need a quick touch-up throughout the day, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? It's incredibly effective and better than blotting papers. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. Summer must. I was very skeptical about a roller that would take the shine away, be used under or over makeup, and it's reusable. I tried it out and was pleasantly surprised. It took the shine off, and when it came time to clean, it snapped apart easily, and some mild cleaner, a good rinse, and out dries so fast. Works really well, gets full pretty quickly, but it's easy to wash and dries pretty fast. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. It's also fragrance-free. The formula includes ceramide and niacinamide. These ingredients work together to repair and hydrate your skin. They help to restore the skin's natural barrier. You'll feel the difference right away with this moisturizer. It provides immediate relief and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. It's a great addition to your daily routine. Whether your skin is sensitive or not, this product is designed for you. It's gentle and effective for all skin types. It's a versatile choice for everyone. This moisturizer is fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It provides hydration without any added irritants. It's a simple and effective solution. What we like? This moisturizer provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. It's formulated for all skin types and is fragrance-free. If you're looking for a gentle, effective moisturizer that soothes and hydrates your skin, this is a great option. What people say? It hydrates without being greasy, sticky, or tacky. It absorbs quickly and makes my skin feel smooth, hydrated, and amazing. It is hydrating, extremely moisturizing, and makes my skin feel soft, smooth, and protected. Number 3. EltaMD UV Clear SPF 46 Sunscreen. This is a dermatologist-recommended, oil-free sunscreen. It's designed to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin. The oil-free formula is perfect for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It won't clog pores, and it helps to keep your skin clear. You can wear it every day. With SPF 46, it provides broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays. This helps to prevent sunburn and premature aging. It is a great choice for daily use. The key ingredient, zinc oxide, is a mineral-based sunscreen. It's known for its gentle and effective protection. It's a great choice for sensitive skin. This sunscreen is recommended by dermatologists. They trust it to protect their patients' skin. You can trust it too. What we like? This sunscreen is oil-free and recommended by dermatologists. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 46 protection. If you are looking for a daily sunscreen that won't clog your pores and protects your skin, consider this one. What people say? The texture is silky and smooth, absorbing quickly without feeling greasy or sticky. The zinc oxide provides strong sun protection, and it also contains ingredients like niacinamide, which help calm redness and even out skin tone over time. The texture is light and easy to apply, and it disappears into my skin without any chalky cast. My beard looks completely normal. Number 2. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Black Mascara. Discover the secret to French beauty with this mascara. It provides defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat, creating a soft, natural look. This mascara is designed to give you length, thickness, and volume that lasts all day. Build the look for even thicker, fanned lashes. The formula is clump-free and lightweight, ensuring a comfortable wear. It's also smudge-proof and long-lasting, so it won't flake or transfer. The petite wand makes it easy to coat every lash. You can remove it easily with a makeup remover without damaging your lashes. This product is cruelty-free, never tested on animals. We stand behind it with a hassle-free return policy, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This mascara gives you defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat. The formula is smudge-proof and long-lasting. If you like a classic mascara that delivers both length and volume without flaking, this is a great choice. What people say. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. It is ink black. I didn't realize that a lot of my black mascaras weren't this black, lol. The formula isn't too wet or too dry, but it leans more towards to wet side, if that makes sense. It goes on very nicely and separates my lashes. It dries completely, and the part that impressed me the most is it dries so soft. No crunchy stiff lashes. No clumping. It is the least mascara-looking mascara I've tried in terms of finished texture of your lashes. It deposits a perfect amount of product in just one application, but I like too. Zero flaking, no chemical noxious smell, and no smudging at all. Amazing length and volume. Number 1. Eyelash Growth Serum 5 ml, made in USA. Introducing our plant-based eyelash growth serum. This serum helps you achieve thicker and stronger lashes in just a few weeks. It's made in the USA and contains no parabens. This serum is packed with peptides and amino acids. These ingredients boost keratin production, which is essential for hair growth. The result is longer, stronger, and fuller lashes. The advanced formula enhances thin or brittle lashes. Botanical extracts promote new hair growth in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. You'll notice a visible difference quickly. For best results, apply the serum once daily. Cleanse your face and ensure your eyes are dry and makeup-free. Apply a thin layer along your lash lines and let it dry before applying other cosmetics. Our eyelash serum is made in the USA under strict quality control. This ensures you receive a high-quality product that delivers results. Get ready for lush, dramatic lashes. This eyelash serum makes a thoughtful gift. It's perfect for birthdays or Mother's Day. It gently nourishes and enhances lashes, using plant peptides for peak fullness and shine. What we like. This plant-based serum helps you achieve longer, stronger lashes in just weeks. It's packed with peptides and amino acids to boost keratin production. If you are looking for a natural way to enhance your lashes and achieve a fuller look, this is the product for you. What people say. By 2020 I had noticeably thick, long lashes. They grew back longer and thicker than I had to begin with before I lost them all. Gives results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.